Met with the distributee of an estate today. It's a voluntary administration. The paperwork indicates that there's less than $50,000 in the estate, and the gentleman had a copy of this and also had the person that I met with is deeply concerned. He understood that there are more assets that are being disclosed, and in looking at the petition, there are some categories of assets that aren't listed at all. In fact, he had an awareness that there were bonds. He had an awareness that there was a bank account. So what is there to do? Well, this other family member filed for the voluntary administration. You do an administration when there's no will, or at least no will found. Well, this person has to marshal the asset, locate, ascertain, determine, all verbs. This person has to go out and find where the assets are and then marshal. So if the person that's going to become my client has an awareness of other assets in other locations, well, we certainly should assist and tell the voluntary administrator what we have an understanding of. Then that person has to marshal and then ultimately distribute. So if there's 5 relatives or 10 relatives or whatever the number ultimately may be, different written waivers and written consents and different things have to pass hand. But at the end of the day, if we do not believe that all of the assets were discovered or located, we could either bring our own voluntary petition, seek to marshal assets, or we could seek discovery in some type of proceeding where we intervene, or we can ask for an accounting. But that's potentially surrogate's court litigation. And my thought with this person that came in and consulted with me is that there may not be enough money to fight. Maybe we just assist and divide what's located. You're going to pay several thousands of dollars to only receive several thousands of dollars because it's claimed that it's under $50,000. Well, that's not a sound business decision. And I know it's not business because it's family. This individual feels aggrieved. He feels upset and concerned that the right thing isn't being done. But we will monitor the situation. We'll intervene if we can. We can help him, perhaps, and we can help you. I say perhaps because circumstances and facts are what they are. So if there's no other additional assets in existence, then the help that we can give is to give him peace of mind that wasn't being cheated of anything. That's what we do sometimes, right? Provide information. you have any questions, reach out. FrankBrunoLaw.com.